The Cromwell is a luxury boutique casino hotel on the Las Vegas Strip in Paradise, Nevada. It is owned and operated by Caesars Entertainment. It was originally opened by Michael Gaunt as the Barbary Coast on March 2, 1979. The Cromwell features one of the hottest nightclubs on the Las Vegas Strip, Dre's Nightclub. It features many celebrity artists around the world. The Cromwell features over 40,000 square feet of gaming space and over 180 boutique-style rooms. We are over here at the Cromwell 8th floor, room 22. This one is a 2-queen with a strip view. When you first walk in, odd decor. Kind of like, I don't know, medieval, a little bit of like that French vibe a little bit too. It does have like weird hardwood floors, but they have like little sinkholes right here. Feel like a little sinkhole right there. When you first come over here, the drawer is cool. It's like a trunk. The lampshade is crazy. It's see-through. You do have 2 plugs right there. These do not work. I tried them last night. My phone did not charge. There's a phone over there. Little Bluetooth wireless. That's pretty cool. The beds aren't too bad. They're actually pretty comfortable. But look how old like the box springs are. Crazy. And then this was crazy right here. So I opened this one drawer right here, and there's a Frito just sitting right there. We do have a safe right there. On this side, a stocked mini bar. Obviously it's going to cost you quite a bit if you buy anything out of there. You do have your little station if you can't stop but indulge. We do have things you can purchase right there. The TV is massive though. Check out this TV, guys. It's huge. There is a mirror right there. Check yourself out before you go out on the strip. This chair was weird. Mom would sit in this chair. I wasn't a huge fan of this chair. Now the beds weren't too bad. Like I said, they were kind of comfortable. Not too bad. You go over here, you do have your little closet area. You do have an iron right there, a couple hangers, a little place to put your luggage. There is a little like vanity right there with a little chair, place you can get ready. The bathroom was weird. Like, look at this door. It's cool. It's like a sliding barn door. Single vanity sink, mirror. This shower was super strange. It does have an overhead shower, and then it has that shower too. But look, there's a mirror in the shower, guys. Super crazy, super different. Some wisdom on the wall, but that was kind of a weird shower. And then only one trash can in the whole place. The toilet is separated from the shower area, so that's kind of cool. I like that. The wall art with the dog and the chair. And then this was probably my favorite part of this room. You can see the strip. You see Aria. You see Paris Hotel, the Cosmopolitan, Vidara. And then of course you do see the Grand Bazaar shops right here with the horseshoe. This does not open. There's a penny right there. This does not open. It is locked on the bottom. So they did take out this lock part. But usually back in the day you could go out there, which is super sketchy if you ask me. But overall, out of 10, I'd probably give the Cromwell maybe like a 6. A little odd room, small. It was a free comped room, so I can't really complain about that. That's why I didn't call the front desk about the Cheeto and freak out and throw a big old stink, because it was a free room. But overall, not too bad. The gambling here wasn't so good, but it was a good time on the strip. If you guys like these kind of walkthrough videos, make sure you do hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment if you stayed at the Cromwell, if you like the Cromwell. I know a lot of people come here for Dre's Nightclub, and we'll see you for the next journey. Love you guys.